Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Subaru WRX STI. First, familiarize yourself with the three pedals on the floor, the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. The STI features a 6-speed manual transmission, requiring precise coordination between your left foot for the clutch and your right foot for braking and accelerating. Mastering this fundamental setup is crucial for a smooth and engaging driving experience. We will cover each step in detail. To begin, ensure the car is in neutral and your left foot fully depresses the clutch pedal. With your right foot on the brake, turn the key or press the engine start button. Once the engine is running, gently move the gear shifter into first gear, which is typically found in the upper left position. This prepares the vehicle for movement. Remember, the clutch must remain fully pressed until you are ready to slowly release it. For smooth upshifts, accelerate to about 3,000 RPMs, then quickly press the clutch, shift to the next higher gear, and release the clutch while adding throttle. The goal is a seamless transition without jerking. When downshifting, it is beneficial to rev match by blipping the throttle slightly as you engage the lower gear. This synchronizes engine speed with wheel speed, reducing wear and improving stability, especially when approaching corners. The Subaru WRX STI offers a unique driving experience with its advanced features. Experiment with the driver's control center differential, or DCCD, to adjust torque distribution for varying road conditions. Its powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged boxer engine delivers robust acceleration, while the high-performance Brembo braking system ensures confident stopping power. Always drive within your limits and understand the car's capabilities to fully enjoy its rally-bred performance safely and responsibly on appropriate roads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.